Hello, once again, greetings. We've been learning to do a number of things. First, we learned how to create a farm household, was the head of household. Then we learned how to add a member of the household, then adding the farm details. And now we just learned how to create a plot. But remember, all these things we have been doing in the offline mode. So this data is not yet synchronized in the system, and today we need to learn now what exactly we do to ensure that this data is uploaded into the system, because we have been doing this on the basis that our data connection is bad, or the internet connection is bad. We've been doing most of this work in the field, so now we get back to office and we need to see what we have been doing or what we have been creating. So ideally, as I told you, you come and click here on this button on the top left corner and then go on offline mode and turn it off, and then the data is synchronizing. As you see this, the data is trying to synchronize into the system, and then when it is complete, it should be able to show you a message that synchronization has been successfully finished, and you click OK. So what did we create? At this point, we can be able to view what we created. This data has now been uploaded into the Beyco Farmer App database, and this member is now a member in the can actually appear in the dashboard of the Beyco Farmer App, which I will be showing you later. But most importantly here is that now as this person is registered and a member, this is the farm we are using, the household, which is Mwasa family farm. When you click on it and you see cocoa, there are no plots, but here you can be able to see the location is even that the total surface area is 5 acres, total registered surface area is 5 hectares. I think this is something that needs to be edited. The units need to be consistent, yeah. But when you go to the coffee section, you have one plot which is able to give you 1,800 kilograms of red cherry per hectare. And look at when you go and total registered surface area 5 hectares, it's giving you an error message because we have acres and we have hectares. So this is sort of an error message. But when you go here and click details, this is the exact polygon that we were able to collect. This is the GPS coordinates. So this is the size of our coffee plot that we actually have, and you can be able to view it precisely. So this is a satellite image, and that's what I told you, that in the face of the new EDUR and other legislations that are against deforestation, they can be able to now look at this satellite image. Of course, there are improved satellites that will show you a precise image. They take the GPS polygons and they put them into the database. Then it will bring an exact picture with the latitude and longitudes of your farm, and they look at what has been happening in the area for the last 5 years. They can see if deforestation has taken place or if no deforestation has not taken place. So this is how exactly you do after working in the offline mode, and then you will be able to go. So this is the plot. You could still click here on C plot, and you see actually the GPS polygons which are here. You see the details of your coffee plot and whatever is said about it. Thank you very much again. I will catch up with you in the next video, which is about how to register a delivery now that we have created a plot and we assume that the farmer is bringing in their coffee, how do we register the coffee delivery that they are bringing maybe to the producer organization or that they are delivering, and then we will be able to proceed from there. Thank you. See you once again. Again, feel free to email me via brian@progresso.nl, or you can send your queries regarding Beyco to beyco@progresso.nl. My WhatsApp number is still active to answer some of your queries, +256 751 80 34.